Hi guys, this is Jyotsna and welcome to my channel. So today we'll be studying something very basic in Italian. The reference that I've taken is from the book Rete Uno. So we'll be studying something very basic as to how to strike a conversation, a very basic conversation in Italian. Okay, so I'll be going through the test that I have, and apart from that we'll also be seeing the nationalities in Italian. Okay, so I'll begin with reading second exercise from the book Rete Uno. So as you can see here, lui. Lui in Italian is he, and lei in Italian is she. Lui. Come ti chiami? Come ti chiami? What is your name? And what is the reply? Mi chiamo. As you can see here, in the third, they have explained this concept. Come ti chiami? Mi chiamo. Come ti chiami? What is your name? Mi chiamo Frank. My name is Frank. So this is a very basic way of striking a conversation with someone. Come ti chiami? Mi chiamo Frank. Mi chiamo Maria. Whatever your name is. So let me just go back to the exercise second, and I'll be reading this for you again. Lui, as I said, is he. Come ti chiami? What is your name? Lei, Maria. E tu, and you. E in Italian is and. Tu, as you know, is you. So, come ti chiami? Maria. E tu? Lui. He. Mi chiamo Sandro. My name is Sandro. Lei. Come? Scusa? What? Excuse me? Lui. He. Sandro. Mi chiamo Sandro. Sandro. My name is Sandro. So what's your name? My name is Sandro. Come ti chiami? Mi chiamo Sandro. Lei. Piacere. Piacere. Piacere in Italian is nice to meet you. Piacere. Lui. He says piacere. Sei italiana? Are you Italian? Sei italiana? Are you Italian? Lei. She says no. Sono argentina. No. I am from Argentine. I am Argentina. E tu di dove sei? And you, where are you from? Io sono italiano. I am Italian. E tu di dove sei? Di dove sei is where are you from? Lui, he says, io sono italiano. I am Italian. Okay, so this is a very basic way of asking someone very basic questions. Come ti chiami? Di dove sei? And if you have to say nice to meet you, what is it that you say? You say piacere. Piacere is nice to meet you. Okay. So this is something very basic. Now I'll be reading some nationalities in Italian. So as you can see here, the references from the book Rete Uno. Inglese. Inglese in Italian is English. So sono inglese, per esempio. Sono inglese, I'm English. Brasiliano, Brasiliana is Brazilian. So in the case of masculine, we put an O. In the case of feminine, we put an A. Brasiliano, Brasiliana. Third, Francese. Francese is someone who is from France, French. Francese. Turco. Turco is Turkish. So if I say sono turco, it means I am Turkish. And if I say I sono turca, that also means I am Turkish, but that is feminine. So if a lady is saying she is Turkish, she'll say sono turca. Sono spagnolo. Fifth, sono spagnolo is I am Spanish. So sono spagnolo, sono spagnola. I am Spanish is in the case of masculine. Sono spagnola is in the case of feminine. Cinese. Cinese is gender neutral. So whether it is masculine, whether it is feminine, they'll say Cinese. Sono Cinese. I'm Chinese. Seventh, Giapponese. Giapponese is Japanese. So someone who is from Japan will say Giapponese. Sono Giapponese. Portoghese. Portoghese is again gender neutral. So if a masculine is saying, that is again Portoghese, or if a feminine is saying, that is again Portoghese. Sono Portoghese, sono Portoghese. Tedesco, Tedesca is German. So if a guy is saying, he'll say sono tedesco. If a lady is saying, she'll say sono tedesca. 10th, Russo, Russa. So someone who's Russian, so again in the case of masculine, we'll say Russo. In the case of feminine, we'll say Russa. 11th, Italian, Italiano. Sono Italiano. But in the case of feminine, it will be sono Italiana. Next, Marocchino. So someone from Morocco. Sono Marocchino, and in the case of feminine, it will be sono Marocchina. So these are the nationalities in Italian. So we have seen that the nationalities, they end either in O, either in A, or either in letter A. So you have to memorize it. There is no specific rule that why certain words are gender neutral, why is it that in certain cases it is feminine, why it is that in certain cases it is masculine. There is no specific rule. So this is how the grammar is. So what you have to do is you just have to memorize it. You have to learn it, you have to write it down, you have to practice it well. And so this is about nationalities. So today we learned how to strike a basic conversation by asking come ti chiami, what is your name, di dove sei, where are you from, and talking about your nationality. Ok, so abbiamo finito per oggi e grazie per l'attenzione e buona giornata e arrivederci.